Hi, I'm Mark. I'm a product manager here at Distillery, and I'm excited to demo our agentic solution, DS-1, to you today. Audience buying involves a lot of work translating briefs into audience strategy, figuring out what data to use, building audiences, activating them, and then learning what actually works. DS-1 is Distillery's agentic platform for end-to-end media execution and can take the work your team already does and make it faster and more precise. The easiest way to think about DS-1 is through what you already do with Distillery today. You buy pre-built and custom audiences from us, and then you activate them in the trade desk. You can tell DS-1 what you're trying to accomplish in plain language, and the agent helps translate that into audience recommendations, builds, and insights while you keep in control of what gets created and activated. Everything I'm about to show you is essentially the workflow you already know, compressed from days to minutes, with you in control and with full transparency. So let's run it on a mock campaign. Say we're working on Solo Stove, who's pushing their fire pits into fall and holiday gifting. Let's use our audience exploration tool in DS-1 to help find audiences for your brand. So I'm going to tell DS-1 to help me find audiences for fall and holiday gifting for Solo Stove fire pits. DS-1 recognizes there are multiple ways to reach an audience, organizes these audiences to personas, and then gives a reason for why they recommended it. So let's take a look at some of these recommendations. Here we see backyard entertaining and outdoor living, which is comprised of homeowners actively investing in their outdoor spaces for fall and holiday seasons. Here you can see patio furniture shoppers, yard structures, lawn and garden enthusiasts. You also have portable adventure and camping gear, which is perfect for highlighting the portability of Solo Stove's Ranger and Bonfire models for fall camping trips. And this is comprised of camping enthusiasts, outdoor SUV families, off-the-grid enthusiasts. Now, these are actually really great, but let's just say I want to refine these recommendations. I can actually tell DS-1 to update the results to pinpoint exactly what I'm looking for in plain language. So I'm going to tell DS-1 to focus on gift buyers and remove anything related to camping gear. DS-1 is going to understand your updated requests and refine the results accordingly. Here we have holiday gifting and major sales, which is holiday gift shoppers, Black Friday deal shoppers. We can see home and outdoor lifestyle enthusiasts, which is home good shoppers, in-market home decor shoppers. And you'll see things like Christmas enthusiasts, hobby-driven gift shoppers. So it does look like DS-1 understood that we didn't want anything tied to camping gear, and that was removed from the list of recommendations. Now, beyond the off-the-shelf audiences, with DS-1, you can instantly create custom audiences as well. Let's expand on the Solo Stove campaign by giving DS-1 more context. You can either drop your campaign brief indirectly or just describe the campaign in your own words. Either way, DS-1 will handle the rest. So here I'm giving it the basics: timing, budget, the kinds of people we want to reach. DS-1 is going to understand your request, determine the best seeds to build your custom audience, and then using multimodal AI to turn your request into custom audiences you can activate. So let's take a look at some of these domains that it's recommending. Here you have Uncommon Goods, Sunset.com, Garden and Gun, The Spruce, Food 52, Gear Patrol. Now these are great recommendations, but let's just say that I want to organize these into personas as well. Great. So now DS-1 has organized these domains into personas that we can understand. Here we have suburban homeowners and outdoor entertainers, which is reaching individuals focused on home improvement and patio aesthetics. Here again, you see The Spruce, Lowe's.com, Sunset.com. We have active outdoor and adventure enthusiasts, which is tied to campers and outdoor gear researchers who value portable, high-quality equipment for wilderness and backyard excursions. And then you also have curated lifestyle and gift seekers, which is tied to high-end gift givers looking for premium home goods and stylish men lifestyle products for holiday gifting. So let's go ahead and select a couple of these domains and proceed to build these custom audiences. And there it is, 3 custom audiences built from this campaign that are now ready to be activated. So let's tell DS-1 to send this to our trade desk seat. Once we have your activation details built into DS-1, this lives in your seat in 24 hours. And that's DS-1. We went from an idea in a campaign brief to building custom audiences and then sending them to your DSP seat, the workflow you already run with in one place and in one conversation. Thank you.